My brothers and my sisters, I beg, make una carry this mic. Tell the whole world why you no wan give me fascinator, make I run am for you. Oh yeah, carry the mic or say so. Tell the whole world why you no wan come meet me, make I use my anointed hand. Design anointed fascinator for you. Wey be say if you put am for your head and pray, the prayer go just reach heaven immediately. That one no go waste time. Yes, tell the whole world why you no wan recommend me to that your friend, that your sister wey dey say fascinator. You no wan recommend me to her, make I be her fascinator designer, so that I go dey design fascinators for her with chinkini money, and she go just dey sell am, dey make profit. Oga, you sef wey be man, carry this mic and tell us why you no wan come meet me, make I give you different designs of fascinator, make you use am go surprise your wife, so that your wife go fit give you different styles of night food. Aunty, you sef wey dey single and searching, can you please carry this mic and tell the whole world why you have not met me? Let me use my holy hand and design fascinators for you, wey be say if you wear am, any man wey see you no go fit pass you. So una no know say my fascinator dey give husband abi? Oh, una no know. Oh yeah, carry the mic or say so. Tell us why you no wan recommend me to that your friend that is about to wed. Tell me why you no wan recommend me to that your friend, make I run the fascinator for all her ashebi women, ashebi girls, so ashebi this, so ashebi that, so that all of them go look unique, so that everywhere go just dey colorful, dey shine on that big day. Oh yeah, carry this mic immediately and tell us why you never recommend me to your church women. You go get mind, your church women they wan do program, and all the women are expected to wear this fascinator, and then go dey find person wey go design fascinator for them, and you know me, you no go recommend me to them. Now you check it out. Even if you know they like fascinator, just order my own fascinator, because my fascinators na holy fascinator. So anytime you want pray, just put them for your head, pray, tell God what you want. My sister, you will definitely come back with a testimony. I know if you can't use my virgin hand design fascinator for you, you put them for your head and your life still remain the same. It's not possible, my sister. Anyways, make I leave matter for Matthias and tell you guys about this contract. So my church women contacted me when they were planning their Mother's Day. So they didn't celebrate their own Mother's Day, the main day. So they shifted their own. So they contacted me to design a fascinator for them, for all of them to look very unique on it. So I had to use my virgin hand to do this for them. So I am so happy that after everything, the outcome was given and they all like it. They were satisfied. Now, check them out. Just look at satisfied client. Just see how happy, how stunning, how gorgeous they are looking on this my fascinator. Oh my God.
Make sure every place is showing. Let's just dance.
So you guys can see how stunning they are looking on this fascinator. Like I was really happy, like seeing them looking so gorgeous on the fascinator that my virgin hand for them. You know, go understand. Could you guys believe that because of this contract, I've gotten a lot of contracts already right now, because they're happy and they're satisfied with what I gave them. So what they are doing right now is just to be connecting me. Like they're connecting me. Like, oh my God. So if you know you have not patronized me, if you're a fascinator lover, let me just be your fascinator designer. I will give you what you want, like what you order. I will even give you more than what you order. Like them now, they confessed it that what I give them is more beautiful than what they order. So if you have not patronized me, do well to patronize me. Recommend me to people. Recommend me to fascinator sellers. Let me be designing for them. Let them be selling and be making profit. If you have people that are doing occasion, recommend me and I will run it for them and they will be happy. In any organization at all you find yourself and you know that they need fascinator, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I promise to deliver. I promise not to disappoint you. Contact me and let's do business. Okay, my people, thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.